Folks, my name is Casey Nunez. Before I continue on with the conversation, allow me to smile for a second. Brains. Doo-doo head. Yeah, baby. Kill me.
It wasn't my fault.